Hello, good evening. My name is Lawrence Bengo. I'm 23 years old. I'm from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Lawrence, you joined a national pageant during 2018. And of course, you joined the national pageant na rin when you were teen. So, you're 23 years old now. So, after how many years, no, nagbabalik ka sa
Yes.
pageantry. So, kamusta naman ang preparation mo? Of course, this is your first national pageant, second national pageant.
Yes. Of course, in this pageant, we need to be strong in physically and mentally. And of course, pinaghanda natin lahat ng aspect ng pageant na ito. And syempre, gusto natin mauwi yung crown and yung title. Kaya syempre, lalaban tayo.
Ano yung pinaka-preparation mo dito sa Mr. Grand Philippines na lalabanan mo?
Well, of course, gym and going to the gym and reading a lot of books. Siyempre, kailangan natin paghandaan, hindi lang physically, and dapat handa tayo palagi sa kung ano yung ibabatong tanong sa atin.
Do you undergo trainings din ba? Like sa training and pasarela mo?
No, but I'm personal training, yes.
Independent ka ba or may account ka ngayon?
What?
Independent ka ba? Independent candidate?
Yeah, yeah.
Independent
Yeah.
candidate.
So what made you decide to join Mr. Grand Philippines?
At yes, tulad nga na sinabi ko, di ba, I want to represent our country again one more time sa international pageant. And I want to magbigay din ng karangalan sa bansa natin. That's it.
Lawrence, yung yung pagsali mo dito or pagsali mo sa ibang bansa ay advantage na para at least magkaroon ka ng placement sa Mr. Grand Philippines?
I don't see it as advantage, but I see it as a learning experience na pwede kong gamitin sa pageant na to. Of course, tanggapin natin na sa pageant to, kailangan natin maging handa sa kung sino yung makakasalamuha natin. At tingin ko yun yung meron ako ngayon sa parating na pageant na to.
So just in case na manalo ka sa Mr. Grand Philippines, how will you be able to use the core value of the organization?
Of course, I use it as I want to be a voice of this organization. Of course, kung ano man yung mission na gusto kong gawin ng organization to, I want to be part of that.
So, you will be representing Bulacan?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
So is it really important to speak English or Tagalog pagdating sa national at sa international times? What's your thought on this?
I don't think so. Tingin ko kung saan tayo komportable.
So, bakit ikaw ang kailangan tanggalin sa mga title holders of Mr. Grand Philippines? Of course, marami kasi his title at stake.
Yes.
Of course, I have a resiliency and commitment to this pageant. And I know to myself that I will do everything that I can to win this title. That's it.
Lawrence, sinong handler mo ngayon? Ba't parang galing-galing mo?
Si Ma'am Edge po.
Magaling talaga yun. Ako na rin sabihin.
Ano yung advice na pwede natin sa'yo ng Mami Edge mo?
Yun lang na laban lang. Kahit na medyo financially not good, at least lumalaban. That's it.
Grabe yung katawan mo ngayon, medyo nag-fit.
Yeah.
Ang fit mo.
Thank you.
Fit mo
Thank
ngayon
you.
compare mo dun sa screen.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Lawrence.
Thank you so much.
Basta lang, for example ko naman ng representation mo.
Example lang
Sabihin mo,
Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lawrence Bengo from Bulacan, and I'm 20 years old. That's it.
Audio Jungle.